What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. All right, so today I have got a makeup tutorial on this beat right here. It is a very simple no makeup look, and I just thought that this was something that you guys would be very interested in. So if you guys are interested, then do keep on watching. But if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you a part of the family. And if you do enjoy this video, please let me know in the comment section down below, and also let me know by thumbs upping this video. Give it a thumbs up, you guys. I would appreciate it so much. And yeah, I like this. It's giving skin, it's giving glow. I like that. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this video, then do keep on watching, and yeah, let's get into it. Hey guys, let's get started with this look because your girl doesn't even know what she's going for. I think I want to go for something very natural. I did my skincare, so I need to prime my face. I want to use all of my favorites, but I don't have my foundation and I don't have my brow pencil because I forgot my makeup bag at my boyfriend's house. But I have gang makeup here, so there's still a lot that I can use. And my faves, I have a couple of my faves. One of those is my primer. I love this primer so much. I absolutely love it. It's the one from Mr. Price, the Scarlet Hill primer. I love it so much and I'm running out, so I need to go get me some more. I like the way it feels. It's not too sticky. It's okay, like it's actually a good primer. Oh, I just want to put it all over my face. So yeah, this is actually really good for mattifying. If you've got oily skin, I do recommend it. It's not too drying, so even if you've got dry skin like me, you can use it. So for foundation, I want to use the Revlon Color Stay. I use caramel in the oily combination, but it works for my skin. It's not too bad. But this foundation is a medium coverage, so I do pack it on. So yeah, it has a pump. I like that. And you just pump a couple pumps at the back of your hand and pick it up with a sponge. I just find that it's better to do it like that. So you see how it's just better to apply it like this. I'm gonna take my mirror. I'm sorry, you guys are gonna see it like So do you see how nice that shade is? Oh, I think my mirror's fucking up my lighting. What the hell? Let me use the magnified side. Oh hell no. So just adding a lot because I like full coverage, but this is like a medium and it's buildable, so I'm gonna build, okay? I'm about to build. So before I go any further, this is actually how this foundation is supposed to be. Obviously not supposed to be, but you know, how many pumps did I do? Like 2-3 pumps. This is how it is. If you are a girl that likes the natural vibe and you don't want it to look cakey, you don't want crazy makeup, actually I probably should leave it like this because we are doing a no makeup look. I'm gonna do one more pump, maybe two more pumps. But anyway, the point is, this is a good foundation for the girls that want to do a natural vibe. I really recommend this one. But if you are like me, go for the full coverage one. But I'm gonna add 2 more pumps because we are doing a no makeup look, and yeah, that's gonna be the vibe. All right, so now we're going to move on to my brows, and I kind of want to do my brows on this video because I've done a couple of tutorials on Instagram, but I didn't speak, so all you had was like what I showed you. So I've groomed my eyebrows. I think I groomed them maybe 2 weeks ago or something like that, so they're okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start filling them in. I'm going to do a natural vibe just to stick to theme, but this is normally what I do. I don't like thick brows anymore, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do my fluffy brow. So I'm gonna take some brow gel. This is the Essence one, the Essence Lash and Brow. This is super good. So I'm just going to take a little bit and brush the hairs upwards Like, you don't want to make a direction or anything, just go up. And the reason why I want to use a brow gel is so that my hair stays in place. I don't want it moving around. I don't want it sweating out. I just want the hair to stay in place. Consider this brow glue, basically. You can actually use a glue for what I'm doing. Actually, you can use a lash glue, or you can use got2b for what I'm doing, but I've got a brow gel, so I just want to use that. And then you can use any brow product that you want. I prefer a pencil, but I'm going to show you guys with the pomade because, like I said, I've got a couple things that are not with me. So I'm going to use the Essence brow pomade and brush. Oh my god, my window's open. Do I care? I'm gonna use this. This is okay. It's a lighter brown, and the pomade's actually at the bottom, so this is where the product is, and then at the top it's got a little brush that you can apply the product with. And I've also got another really good pomade. It's from Julian, my Julian brows, and it's just like a dip brow, basically, like those Anastasia ones that were really popular. It's basically that. So I'm gonna mix the two because this is super dark and this is super light, and I'm going to first make lines at the bottom of my brows. I'm making lines just so that we can guide the brow. Let me actually take a handheld mirror. So I'm taking a handheld mirror just so that I can see what I'm doing. Taking that product and basically creating lines underneath my brows that are gonna guide my arch. Arch? No, arch. Arc is the boat thing. Yeah. Noah and the ark. Or the arch. Comment down below. Once you've created those lines, really all you're going to do is create like hair-like strokes, and that's it. You're not going to create another line at the top. All you're doing is creating like these little lines that kind of mimic your hair all the way up using that same brow product. So just take a little more and then just make lines, literally. And then all that's really left to do is brush your hair, and then we're going to conceal and just clean up the brow. So that's not a hassle at all. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight and contour. I actually don't think I'm gonna contour, honestly, because for a no makeup look, what you're actually trying to do is just cover up imperfections. You're not trying to like sculpt your face. So I'm just gonna use this Essence concealer. And the main reason why I'm actually even using concealer is because a lot of us, our eyes, like underneath our eyes, our eyelids, it's not the same as the rest of our face. And with a no makeup look, what you're trying to do is not look like you're wearing makeup, but at the same time you do want to just cover up some imperfections. So if you've got like little spots on the side, use concealer for that, because I'm just trying to get a little natural beat, you know, nothing too crazy. So let's hop into this one. It is in the shade Caramel Deep, I believe. Oh, dark caramel. So I'm taking just a little bit of it, and that's about as much as I'm gonna need. My nose, and then I'm definitely going to do my mustache. So I don't know if my mustache is actual hair, but there's like a shadow that gets casted, I think, because my lip kind of like does this, so it casts a shadow right here. So I'm gonna take it and I'm going to go all the way, like I'm gonna cover it up. I'm not playing around, okay? So I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend everything out. All right, so now I'm going to basically just set wherever I put that concealer, and I'm gonna use this from Revolution. It is the loose setting powder, but it's in the shade Honey Deep. Let me show you how it looks. It is so like brown girl friendly. Like, do you see how that's not a white powder? It's not a gray powder. It's like a yummy honey yellowy type of color, and that's like perfect for black girls. Perfection for us. So I'm gonna take a sponge and just dip a little bit in there. Look up and set my face. Just pressing it in there will sort you out. I'm so heavy-handed. Like, I actually, this type of makeup look is what will make me realize like I'm actually mad heavy-handed. For just the rest of my face, I'm gonna use this from Yardley, their loose powder. Mine is in the shade Caramelized. I'm just gonna take a face brush, just sit everywhere else. Let's get rid of all the shine and sit our face. Okay, so to bronze my face, because we're not going, actually let me take this off so that I can blend my makeup to, ow, this is gonna hurt. What I said I was gonna do, oh, I'm gonna bronze. I'm not gonna contour my face because like I said, we're going natural. So I'm gonna use this by Fit Me. Can you tell how much I love it? Anyway, this is 340 cappuccino, and it's basically like a warm vibe. So there's a difference between contouring and bronzing. So basically with contouring, you are creating shadows, you're altering your face shape in a way, and then with bronzing you're kind of just bringing back the color. So you saw how we did all of those powders and we did the concealer, so our face looks flat right now. So we bring back a little bit of definition with some bronzing. Obviously if you contoured you'd bring back more definition, but naturally we don't have chiseled, or I don't have chiseled cheeks, I don't have a really chiseled up nose, none of that. But bronzing is just to bring back the color, bring back the life into your face, and for you not to look so pale and so flat. So that's why we are bronzing today and not contouring. So I'm gonna take a little brush. This is Fit Me, as in like Fit Me by Maybelline. So just to clarify, and I'm just going to put that around my cheeks and my forehead and my nose, just to bring back some color, you know. We are going to add blush. So the blush palette that I'm going to use is this one by Essence. It's the Hey Cheeks, and I really like this one because it's like tropical. It gives me those vibes. So I'm going to go in with these three actually, and I don't care what they say, baby, blush is so important, and it also just adds some color to your face. Does kind of the same thing that bronzer does, just kind of helps to bring back the color and the life to your face. Oh, baby daddy calling me. Hello. Okay, and then stop looking at me. What's that highlight? A little bit. Let me set my face first. So I love this setting spray. I'm gonna use the Revlon Photo Ready, the Prep Set and Refresh. And then I'm gonna do my favorite hack, which is melting the setting spray into my skin. This makes such a difference. Doing this versus just like waiting for it to dry, it just makes such a difference. Like the foundation looks like your skin. And I feel like the key to a no makeup look is just a really good mascara. I do not put any, if I'm like rushing out the house, I'm not trying to do anything crazy, I don't put any like eyeliner at the bottom. That is not natural. So we're gonna go with a mascara. I'm gonna use this one for the first time. This is the Mega Protein by Wet n Wild. Comment down below your favorite mascara, and do you think mascara is important? I mean, I wear lashes, so most mascaras like act the same for me, but there are a couple that I'm just like, these are ride or dies, these are actually good. Do you rate it? What is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I'm just gonna put some lip liner on, and then the lip gloss that I'm gonna go with is kind of a natural vibe, so that's why I'm picking it. It is 260 by Revlon. It's the shade Rosy Future. I really love this stuff, so I'm just gonna line my lips quickly, and then I'm gonna add that lip gloss. I kind of want to go in with another one as well. Another Revlon one, the Act Natural, the high vinyl one, the high shine vinyl one in Act Natural, just to brighten things up. I feel like it's a bit dark. Yeah, that's better. So I'm done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I haven't done a tutorial in a minute. I had so much fun. I'm sure you noticed like I was mad bubbly like when I was talking, but yeah, I had so much fun creating this little no makeup look for you guys. If you did enjoy it, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, it was just nice to talk about the actual products. Yeah, I just had fun. I had a lot of fun. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section down below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.